Let's start. The project name is the Modal bottom sheet. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity and a Modal bottom sheet fragment. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. And a bottom_sheet_view.xml file, which is the layout of the Modal bottom sheet. In the activity_main XML file, we have a button. In the bottom_sheet_view.xml file, we have a list view. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we have set the onClick listener of the button. When the button is clicked, we show the Modal bottom sheet. These are the imports. This is the Modal bottom sheet fragment that extends the bottom sheet dialog fragment. This is the data member. And the onCreateView function. In the onActivityCreated function, we populate the list view and show it in the Modal bottom sheet. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a Modal bottom sheet in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.